Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on my video. My name is Veronica and I'm just like a girl who likes posting things on the internet, okay? This channel is all about making monies online, side hustling and career growth. So yeah, we are on our way to becoming millionaires here, future millionaires, okay? So if you feel like you want to be a part of that squad, I'm just a person who likes doing so many different things and just finding a way to just make money through so many different streams, making multiple streams of income. And yeah, so anyways, that is enough about me, but today I'm gonna get into it. Okay, so today I found a website called Cambridge Proof Editors. How you can find it is you can just go on your Google Chrome or whatever you use as your browser and just type in proofreading.org. Okay, so I'm just essentially going to read what the company is about, and then we're going to get into the requirements. What do you need in order to actually get this job? So it reads here: Cambridge Proofreading is committed to delivering high quality service to each and every one of our clients. We achieve this by delivering thoughtfully edited and meticulously proofread documents on time. We are always looking for talented and experienced freelance editors who can help us deliver outstanding work to our clients. Okay, so essentially it's a proofreading company, and they look for freelance editors to actually do this. You know, sometimes when people hear freelance editors, they think, hectic things like, it's like journalism or whatever. No, guys, if you have a degree, I'm actually going to go into the requirements because they need people who have degrees, but I also think that if you have quite some experience, I don't think that you necessarily need a degree, but it's very good for people who do have their bachelor's degree, because in order for you to attain a bachelor's degree, you know the type of work that you have to go through, and especially if you did well, especially in assignments. Like for me, I'm a business student, so there is a lot of work, like typed out assignments. I get assignments where it's like 15 pages and stuff like that, and I'm quite used to that. That doesn't even faze me. That's like on the lower end. So in order to get good marks, your assignment has to be good, and what they do is they proofread and they edit your document so that when you submit it, you can get the best possible marks. So that's what this company is essentially about, and it looks like it's a UK based company, but they do hire people from all over the world, so that is amazing. And here are the minimum requirements, guys. So it reads: most of our clients are students and academics, so we require that all of our editors hold at least a bachelor's degree, and we strongly prefer master's and doctoral degrees. In addition, you must have exceptional understanding of the English language, some prior editing experience, stable internet access, and the ability to consistently meet deadlines. In return for your expertise and hard work, we offer average monthly pay of $20 to $30 per hour, paid twice monthly, access to our resource library, full control over which orders you accept, and flexibility. Your schedule remains your own. Okay. Right, so we have looked at that, right? So here are also the preferred candidates, right? So they prefer candidates with degrees with expertise in STEM, which is science, technology, engineering, and medicine. I think I am not a STEM girl. Okay, I'm a business girl, so please don't judge me. But yeah, in STEM: business, computer science, economics, and law, or experience in academic editing or publishing as a university faculty. So I know in the beginning I was like, okay, even if you don't really have your degree yet, yes, but I think this site definitely needs people who are degree holders, because as I said, when you've acquired your degree, you know the level that it takes for you to do well. You know exactly what it takes for you to do well and for you to be able to perform in that job or whatever you're gonna be looking through. So yeah, I think this is a awesome website to just go and try out your application and see what pulls through. I feel like proofreading is not as hectic because somebody has already has already done the assignment. What you're doing is just looking through, seeing if there are any mistakes and stuff like that. And yeah, guys, definitely go and check that website out. Okay, so it is Cambridge Proofreaders. Proofreading.org is the website. Okay, guys, so the second website of this video is called Gango. I hope I'm not butchering that, guys. Like, listen, but yeah, it's called Gango, as you can see there. So this website essentially, or this company rather, hires freelance translators. So you always see these freelance transcribers or whatever. But yeah, there are also sites out there that you can just get hired just to translate. I think this website is mostly for people who know a particular language. So if you guys have learned like multiple languages and you do know a few, especially one of the popular, some of the popular ones, I think this will definitely be of benefit to you. Okay, so it says why translate with us. You can see here it says a flexible schedule. Our global platform is active 24/7, so you can set your own schedule and work whenever you want from wherever from wherever you want. Sorry, guys. You can pick and choose, so you can pick and choose the type of projects that you want to work on. There's also supportive community where you can get feedback from professionals and other language lovers, and also their state-of-the-art technology workbench makes working on a PC, tablet, or smartphone both fun for professionals and beginners. I am so sorry, guys. I don't know what's happening with my English today. Okay, so it says how much does a Gango translator earn? The income varies across languages depending on customer demand and job availability. Choose your primary language to see how much you can earn. Okay, so yeah, this is like so cool. I've never seen this. Okay, so for example, we're just gonna click this. So if you're translating English to, so there's quite a few languages. I want you guys to see, you know. Fun fact about me, I actually did Mandarin in school, in high school for like 3 years. Don't ask me anything about Mandarin because I don't remember now, but I'm pretty sure if I was to take the classes again, I would remember. So yeah, you can see here there's different languages. So if you click on Vietnamese, it's gonna show you how much a person who usually translates from English to Vietnamese, sorry, usually earns. There's like Spanish from Spain, and then there's Spanish from like Latin America. There's Russian. There are just so many languages. Okay, Japanese, Korean, and so you can see that different people are gonna be earning different amounts. And you can see here there's French, there's the Canadian French, and then there's the other French. So yeah, guys, I think that this is definitely, wait, let's see if I click this, British English. Did I just say translate from English to? But anyways, guys, yeah, that is definitely the site for you. Do go and check it out. It is called Gango. So what happens is essentially you sign up and you can get approved. There is a two-part test. Okay, there is a test with all these type of like translate or transcriber thingies. There's usually a test because they want to see how good you are, because some people, yes, they'll be like, oh, maybe let me just go use Google Translate, but Google Translate isn't as accurate. That's why they always still need people, because that personal touch is very, very much important. Okay, and then you can get paid. Invoicing is a thing of the past. At Gango, translation payments are automatically added to your account. How awesome is that? And then they also have like qualification tests and stuff like that, and then you can award like reward rates, which is super cool. But yeah, guys, that is this website for you. Okay, so go and check out Gango, especially if you know a particular language. I mean, as I said, I did Mandarin at some point in my life. Would I translate it? No, but this could definitely be for somebody out there. Text broker. Okay, text broker. So text broker does quite a number of things, but more importantly, what we're focusing on is on this video is content writers. Okay, people who write content and stuff like that. And especially in this day and age, I actually want to embark on this writing content journey, becoming a content writer, because I feel like it has become easier. Tools such as ChatGPT have become like more accessible, and AI and things like that. So that could really help you write and just sort of like give you inspiration. So I feel like writing has become easier now than ever. Okay, so it reads, with Text Broker, your writing talent pays off. Text Broker gives you access to thousands of projects while turning your writing skills into cash. Okay, earn money writing content. Do you write content? Is your writing your passion? Then Text Broker is the right place for you. I'm not gonna read all of that. Okay, But this is some like the further information. Okay, why write for text broker? Free of charge, flexible time management, and reliable payment. Okay, whether you're a beginner or an experienced professional, you may be a good fit to write content for us. Text broker has the right project for every author. Receive your order in a simple few steps. Okay, and then the payment. Text broker offers several payment options. The better your content, the more you can earn. Okay, we are also vested in your success. We will give you feedback to refine your skills and access our blog that includes grammar tips, tutorials, and videos, you guys. So yeah, this site is definitely like the one to be because I love the fact that they accommodate not only beginners but also professionals. Because sometimes, especially when you're looking for these remote jobs, sometimes you think, okay, I want to work for an actual company, but there's so many things that you could do as a freelancer, and I feel like writing, for me, I always say, because I look forward to becoming an academic, like I want to study further, I want to go on further with my studies, and so writing is going to be such an essential skill because I am also like doing business and majoring in marketing. So writing is an essential skill that is needed for me to be, successful in my academic career, right? So in order for me to be successful, writing is very important. So I feel like sites like this, whether you're a beginner or on the intermediate side of things, anybody can apply. Okay, so please do definitely go check it out and just try it out, sign up, and see what type of content. Because I think with this site, there's also no test. Okay, there's no test, so it's very much easy. So just sign up and see what type of gigs you get. As I said, ChatGPT. You can also use resources like and stuff like that. So it'll just make things easier for you to actually write the content and have inspiration. Okay, so guys, if you reach this part of the video, I truly appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for reaching this part of the video, and I am gonna see you in my next one. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this video. Share if you care, because somebody out there might definitely find this useful. So yeah, I appreciate you guys, and see you next time. Bye.